Hello, everybody. My name is Benjamin Dare. I'm a sales engineer at RHONDOS, and today I'm bringing you another one of the wonderful use cases provided to you by PowerConnect and Splunk. PowerConnect is a certified SAP add-on. It gets installed directly into the NetWeaver layer and makes direct API calls via the kernel to the database layer to extract critical information for monitoring your HANA database. One of the best benefits of this program is that because we're 100% certified by SAP, this software can also run in RISE, HEC, or any one of the public cloud providers that you may choose to run your SAP landscape. So one of the things that especially our RISE customers are worried about is the shared responsibility model under SAP, where a lot of customers are losing access to the HANA database. And maybe just want to validate some of the information that SAP gives them. We have a lot of out-of-the-box dashboards. This is one of, I think, the most useful ones if we want to look to see what the health of our database is. This is just a great overall health dashboard to be able to look at things like SQL statements being executed, the number of threads, transactions over time. This is a good indicator if perhaps our system is growing and we might need to add resources. And then, of course, memory and CPU utilization, which, could be real bottlenecks in terms of bringing the system down. Another one that I know, basis folks are always looking at, we have developers in there writing custom SQL queries, is record lock counts. So making sure that we don't have expensive SQL statements that are locking a bunch of records, which could potentially slow down many, many users. We want to keep an eye on those. And so this gives us the ability to drill down, find out which users it are that are creating those locks, like I said, as well as a plethora of other potential use cases. And I just want to show you some of the other just amazing HANA dashboards that we have. In addition to this load history, I really like the database overview, which again is giving us a bunch of high-level metrics to be able to find out, what the overall health of our system is. In this example, I think we're just going back over the last 60 minutes, but we can go back as far as like 7 days. Perhaps there's some data in there. Let's see here. Yeah, there we go. That looks a little bit better. So yeah, just a ton of information. If this is something you feel you could benefit from, please feel free to reach out. Let's get a demo scheduled for you and your organization today. Have a great one.